When should you use npm Caret, Tilde, or exact package versions? Imagine building a web project and wondering how to keep your dependencies just right. Do you want to stay safe with stable versions or grab the latest features? Today, we're going to clear that up. Managing package versions in npm can seem tricky at first, but understanding when to use Caret, Tilde, or exact versions makes your life much easier. First, let's talk about what version numbers mean. In npm, package versions follow semantic versioning. That means they are written as 3 numbers separated by dots: major, minor, and patch. The major number changes when there are big, breaking updates. The minor number updates when new features are added in a compatible way. The patch number is for small bug fixes that don't break anything. Using exact versions means you specify the full version number without any symbols. For example, 2.3.4 will always install that specific version. This is good when you want your project to be exactly the same every time, especially if you have tested everything with that version. It keeps things predictable but can prevent you from getting bug fixes or new features automatically. The tilde symbol, which looks like this, tilde, restricts updates to the patch level. If you write tilde 2.3.4, npm will update to versions like 2.3.5 or 2.3.6 but not to 2.4. This is useful when you want to get bug fixes but want to avoid any new features that might change how your code works. It's a safe choice for stable dependencies. The caret symbol, which looks like this, caret, allows updates to the minor and patch levels. If you write 2.3.4, npm can update to 2.4 or 2.3.5 but not to 3.0. This is perfect for dependencies that are actively maintained and where you want to benefit from new features and fixes without jumping to a new major version that might break your code. So, when should you pick each? Use tilde when you want to keep things very stable, only getting bug fixes. Use caret when you want to stay up to date with new features and improvements, but still avoid major changes. And use exact versions when you need complete control and want to avoid any surprises. In web development, managing dependencies well helps keep your project stable and secure. During development, using Caret can help you get the latest updates and fixes quickly. When deploying to production, it's safer to lock dependencies to exact versions or use tilde for stability. If you're testing or debugging, sticking with exact versions ensures your environment is consistent. By understanding these versioning symbols, you can make smarter choices about how your project updates dependencies. This way, you keep your web projects running smoothly, with the right balance between stability and access to new features.